Preparing for a Bucks New Uni Virtual Open Day. Our Virtual Open Days can really help you discover more about Bucks New Uni and get all of your questions answered from the comfort of your own home. And here's how you can find out more. Join on time. Links to join the online sessions will be available on our website the day before the event starts. And make sure you sign in 5 minutes before the event so you don't miss any useful info. Attend subject presentations and support sessions. Make sure you plan out beforehand which sessions you want to attend and make a note of when they are due to start and finish so you don't miss out on anything. Tune into our subject presentations where you can discover more about your chosen course or subject area. You can also jump between sessions if you're interested in more than one course. We are also running sessions on admissions, fees and funding, student wellbeing, and accommodation. And although these are taking place at the same time, you can hop between sessions to get all of your questions answered. Confused by the admissions process and how it all works? In our admissions talk, we will talk through the entire application process and more. Want to find out more about student loans? Join the virtual talk on fees and funding and find out even more about student finance. Moving away from home? Our accommodation sessions will help get all of your questions answered about accommodation options and how you can make Bucks your home. Looking for extra support? Your well-being is of the utmost importance to us, and we always put our students first. So come along to this session and you can find out what support is on offer at Bucks New Uni. Get all of your questions answered. You can ask questions on all of the sessions, either by using the online chat or simply by virtually raising your hand. Not sure how to do this? Don't worry, there'll be staff available on every chat to talk you through it. Check out our website for more top tips and great reasons to choose Bucks New Uni. We can't wait to see you.